What's going on in there? We're drawing water for his bath. You love your bath, don't you? You wanna go take a bath? Do you? Alright, let's see what happens. Well, get in there. Go on and get in. Well, go on and get in. Yeah. Digger, that bath's not gonna take itself. Get in there. Go on, get in. You need a hand? You need a hand? There you go. Sit Daisy. Oh, you're gonna get that water, ain't you? Get it, Digger. Get it. Okay. The water's moving, ain't it? Get that water. Digger. 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 Holy, well, I gotta stop him because he'll take in so much water he throws up. Digger, stop drinking that water.